And right now we'll go on to the keynote address on catalytic capital, mobilizing resources for impact. Catalytic capital, mobilizing resources for impact. And to take that is no other person other than Right Honorable Nick Hurd, Chair, the Global Steering Group for Impact Investments, GSG, and former UK Member of Parliament and Government Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause, let's make welcome Mr. Nick Hurd.
And so there are many things to learn, both from success and failure. But we are completely on your side, but you must own it. I wish you every strength and success. Thank you.
Can we do better than that, please? Let's appreciate our keynote speaker. The Right Honorable Nick Hurd, Chair, the Global Steering Group for Impact Investment, GSG, and former UK Member of Parliament and Government Minister. Thank you once again for being here. All right, just a quick announcement again. We'll proceed now for lunch, but please let's do it in an orderly fashion. Let's allow our guest speakers, our invited guests, our panelists to first of all proceed for lunch. They will be ushered to the VIP lounge right behind this hall. Please let's allow them proceed for lunch now.